2013 Durango. No volume with the radio. So you start out by removing this plastic piece right here. So it just comes off like that. Take out the two 7mm bolts. I'll pry this out. This comes right out. I go straight to the radio. Well, this comes out. Take it right out. To get these out, pry this clip in. Pull it right up. Then you have to just push this clip right here. And then it comes right out. Now we just pry this out. This part right here. So basically these clips, you just push them out. You gotta remove the T10s. You just pry this out. You get a screwdriver and pry it out. Can't do it with one hand. It just comes right off. You remove these two. Just remove this. Just unplug it. Now all you need to do is you see this little piece right here. Get a heat gun. Hold this. A few passes. So we're all good. And then should be good to go. We'll put it back together. Now, the problem was there was no sound at all. Also, I'm in the garage, so there's not much of a radio signal here. But you can hear there's volume. So that's it. We're good to go. You just put everything back together.